Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as y'all may have seen in the previous video where I gave myself a major trim, and if you haven't seen it yet, it'll be in the description below and in the time cards above. And you can watch it, after this one once it's like over. But anyways, so my hair has been in a terrible state. Like, it was breaking off left and right. So I decided to dedicate a full wash day of just protein based products. And I have high porosity hair, so I was well overdue for some protein in my hair. But as you can see, before even putting shampoo in my hair, I like to pre-poo and detangle with a conditioner to minimize any knots or tangles that may pop up throughout the wash day. And also, I got this new detangling brush and it's great. I really like it, but I just think my hair is a little too thick for it because, girl, I was struggling to get that brush through my strands. Like, I think my hair is too thick. It's either that or work in unnecessarily really small sections, and I just don't want to do that. So I might just get a bigger version of it. But anyways, I know y'all see them curls popping. Like, look at my hair, it looks so good. I'm just gonna keep on detangling my whole entire head, and y'all, in a moment I'm gonna show you guys the amount of hair that I lost from just detangling my hair. And y'all, when I say I was shocked, like, this is the amount of hair that I lost. Where is it? Non-existent is what. Like, I was shocked. But here I go, using the Manuka Honey Shampoo by Shea Moisture to shampoo my hair. And I've never used this shampoo before, but I can honestly say that this shampoo has become a favorite of mine. Like, it was so good, and usually I like the squeaky clean feeling, but girl, I think that this shampoo has changed me. Okay, so the deep conditioner I'm using is this one from Mayel, and let me tell y'all, this is definitely up there in my favorites list. I've always like heard people saying, oh my gosh, this deep conditioner is so good, oh my gosh, I love it, oh my gosh, blah 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 blah. But girl, this was my first time trying it, and them people were right. Okay, them people, they was right, because this deep conditioner, it did exactly what it needed to do. And plus two, it's like packed with protein, which is always a plus for my high porosity hair. So I just applied it all throughout my hair and made sure to focus on my dying edges because I'm trying to grow them back. And then I threw a handy dandy Walmart bag on, and then put this microwavable heating cap on, which locks in all the moisture and just warms everything up and makes everything feel all good and juicy, you know. But also I just showed y'all the deep conditioner I was about to use because I was very skeptical of the Mayo deep conditioner. As I was applying it, like, it wasn't really penetrating my strands at first, and my hair just felt, you know, regular and normal. But once I took it off, it felt like heaven. Okay, it felt like heaven. My hair felt so good even after rinsing it out. So get you a jar because this thing did wonders for my hair. But finally, the last thing that I do is add my leave-in conditioner, and that is all I do until I have to style my hair right out the shower. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!